Сколько эта трагедия может продолжаться? Сколько еще можно это терпеть? Россия сделала все для сохранения территориальной целостности Украины. Все эти годы настойчиво и терпеливо боролась за исполнение резолюции Совета Безопасности ООН 2202 от 17 февраля 2015 года, закрепившей Минский комплекс мер от 12 февраля 2015 года по урегулированию ситуации на Донбассе. В этой связи считаю необходимым принять уже давно назревшее решение. Незамедлительно признать независимость и суверенитет Донецкой Народной Республики и Луганской Народной Республики. Прошу Федеральное собрание Российской Федерации поддержать это решение, а затем и ратифицировать договоры о дружбе и взаимопомощи с обеими республиками.
So, this is наш брат Семен, хирург.
Ребята, работайте. Здесь вас поддерживают очень сильно. Тут австралийцы собрались, даже не русские люди, граждане Австралии собрались, в том числе наши сербские братья, ночные волки, русские, казаки и так далее. Так что работайте, братья, гордимся вами. Слава русскому солдату!
Слава русскому солдату!
Слава русскому солдату! Слава России!
Слава России! Давай.
Ура!
Thank you. Спасибо, народу. We all know what's going on out here. We all know why we're here. Naturally, driving and riding 1,000 kilometers isn't very much for the sacrifice that the people are making in Russia right now for the and our dear president for the New World Order. Obviously, we know what's going on. It's a lot deeper. We agree, you know, they've got their own versions. Ukrainian people have got their versions. It's part of Russia. It always has been. It always will be. We know the unfolding events, obviously in the Balkan with the Serbs. Okay, there are pockets going off. It does not go in favour of certain peoples around the world. That's fine, but it's not the first time in history that we have gone through struggles. Okay, and gone hungry. The main thing is your voice is heard. Do not get intimidated by them. Okay, we love Russia, whether we're in Moscow, whether we're in Australia. Okay, we will come out. You will make your vote. Your vote is very important as well. Okay, naturally we've got independent brothers here going for the parliament. This is another way of also assisting our vote, our journey, obviously, into saying Russia is a friend, it's not the enemy. You know, the Slavic brothers are not the enemy, they're good people, okay? But from our president, okay, Chirurg Alexander Zaldostanov, he says a big hello to all the Russian people here in Sydney, Melbourne, Australia, everywhere. Yeah, they are obviously, they're doing their best over there. We're doing our very best to keep the morale strong. We're not intimidated, we're not scared. We're here to be with you, you're with us. So, you know, it's about narod. Okay, we are the people, we need to stay together. Other than that, naturally, we do hope that the war will finish soon, that the real truth comes out. We know who the real aggressor is. It's not Russia. We all know who it is. Okay, it's sad that casualties are happening, but we also urge and ask them to hurry up, come to the peace table, stop doing what you're doing, you know, stop coming into Russia. You were asked 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago, stop it, stop it. Okay, in the Balkans, stop it. You know, our Serbska bratija, okay, they told them, don't come. Obviously, they keep encroaching. That is fine. Okay, but more importantly to the point is, we're going to stick together. And I thank you for taking the moment, obviously, to hear me out. And once again, a big hello from Ночных Волков in Moscow, okay, the brothers, and all of us in Australia. Спасибо очень много.
Oh, well done to the boys. That shows real commitment. You know, the media talks about patriotism as if it's a bad thing. Now, I think patriotism is a great thing. If you're an Australian patriot, if you're an American patriot, if you're a Russian patriot, you understand one another. And that's what all of you here today are. Most of the people here are not even Russian, would you believe it, if you look around. These are people who are Australians, who are awake. They know what's going on. And we're very impressed. And it's a big turnout today, even though the rain, even though this gathering was announced only 48 hours ago. And it's the first of many.